Morning. I am trying something different today. I am going live simultaneously from Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Trying something different. Figure one video instead of three. I don't have a lot of time today. I was trying to get open earlier or get the video done earlier, but it didn't quite work out. I was having problems getting stuff hooked up. Instagram didn't want to work on my one phone, and then on my other two tablets I couldn't get connected into the internet or to the Wi-Fi, making me crazy. So I want to talk about some of the stuff we have here at the store. Hey Michelle, how are you? Okay, so let me start with, I make a lot of different things that I offer on the store, and whether it's on Facebook store, Instagram store, TikTok store, I offer a lot of different stuff. So I'm trying to get it all out there and get it all online. So let me start with some of the stuff we do. I'll start with the bath and body products. We do soap. Okay, I hand make all the soap. I got a lot of different scents each time. You never know what I'm going to have. I make it, and when I do make them, I make a couple loaves at a time, and whatever comes out, comes out. Bath and body stuff. Okay, I do have lotions and I have regular lotions, and I have body butter. I also have foaming hand soap. I have shampoos, I have conditioners, I have body washes. I don't have them all with me here. I didn't have enough room on the desk. And for the gentlemen, I have beard oil and I have beard balm, which works pretty well. So I'm doing pretty good, Michelle. Hope everything's good with you and George. Okay. Then when it comes to scents, I got a lot of different stuff. Okay, something new I just started doing. Hey, Lakia, what's up? Okay, so incense. I just tried to do it. I've got about 15 different scents. Gonna see how they sell. I didn't put them online yet, but they're in the store. All the stuff is in the store, the physical store. And let's see what else I got. Okay, for scents, I got tons of things. I have wax melts. I do them in all different shapes and sizes. For Halloween, I did all Halloween things. And I've got skulls, I've got pumpkins, all kinds of stuff. I make the snap bars for the wax burners in all different kinds of shapes and sizes. I also do the clamshells. Plus, I do tons of wax melts, and like I said, in all different sizes. I got fruit, Mickey Mouse ears, stars, you name it. Hearts, let's see, hearts, you name it, I got it. You know, I can make it, whatever people want. Oh, another thing I got lately, we tried sage. We had somebody roll it up and show me how to do it. So, we've got maybe about 40 of these we made. Let's see what else. Oh, laundry booster. That's something new we tried in our, home care. I've got carpet refresher, aroma gems. So they're kind of similar to the wax pearls, except for they don't melt, but they do give a really good smell. We have scoopable wax. We've even got car freshies. We did our hand at that. We also did shower steamers and bath bombs. And all of this will be on the TikTok store soon and online soon. Everything's in the store. And when it comes to like little wax melts, I got them in all different sizes. I got them in little cups. I have big bags of wax, of pearls. I have little tiny bags of pearls. I've got bottles of pearls, so people have choices of what they want to buy. I've even done large tea light, and I have regular tea light size that are normal tea lights, but I've done these. And these happen to be rose scented. And for dessert, and I just made my first triple wick. So, and this one's done in cranberry prosciutto or prosciutto. Smells incredible. And then I've also made little tiny mini candles. So I've been having fun with all of this. Then I have dessert candles. I have dessert candles in all shapes and sizes. I make them only to order because I don't want them sitting around. I have a few in the store. And this is, doesn't 100% smell like taco. You've got the shell. You've got beef in there. See, beef. And then it's got like a lettuce or guacamole looking stuff with little tomatoes in it. And it smells like cilantro and lime. That was the closest thing I could get. The other thing we do is we also have candle warmers in the store. So this is a 2-in-1, so it can warm candles, and it also has a bowl where you can put the wax melts in it. And I also sell the little liners for the wax melts, so you can put that in there so you don't have to keep cleaning out the thing. Oh, other dessert candles? Milkshake. I can do drinks that are in glasses that look like milkshakes, or beer, or ones that look like whiskey on the rocks. Let's see what else I got here. I think I got, oh no, not all the items. I also do sublimation. I can sublimate shirts. I can make sublimation transfers. I do all of that, okay? And I do sublimation cups. So I've got a lot of mugs, and I've also got a lot of these. These are in the store, and I don't really sell them online. There's just way too many of them to put up. But if somebody wants one, they can let me know, and I can make whatever graphic you want to go on it or find what you're looking for. So, and if it's sublimatable, I can do it. So I got a few new things in that I'm going to be working on and I'm going to be trying. I'm going to be doing something different for a change. I thought I'd, give it a shot and try something different. I got new molds in to do candles, or new vessels for Halloween. This is a cast iron little cauldron. I don't know yet what kind of candle I'm going to put in here. I only have 2 of them. That's all I ordered. But I also got these adorable little coffins. They're actually concrete, so they're going to become a candle. They're going to be a double wicked candle, and I'm probably going to start making them next week. So, and the other thing I'm going to be making next week, I have a list of things that's going to be coming out next week. I'm going to do bath salts, and I don't know if I'm going to put them in a bag or if I'm going to put them in a tube. I'm not sure yet. And as far as the dessert candles go, like I said, they're going to be by special order. You're not going to pay any difference. They're still going to be the same price. You just tell me you want them. I'm not going to make them until then. I don't want to have them sitting around. Oh, I also have room spray. I also have body spray. I mean, I got a long line of things that I'm going to be coming out with, and I've got a couple other things I'm going to be making. I make them in batches. The same with the hand soap. I've got Japanese cherry blossom. I've got pumpkin spice. I got warm vanilla sugar. I got lemon sugar, and I have honey almond. That's what I've made so far. And for the bath and the hair and body wash, I've got warm sugar vanilla, and the body spray I have warm sugar vanilla. I haven't made the others yet. So that's pretty much it. I'm trying to keep my live going for this morning. Like I said, I wanted to come on earlier, but I had too much going on. And trying to figure out how to connect each and every one of these devices has made me crazy. Because I'm not really technological or, technically inclined. I'll usually leave that up to my kids. So I'm slowly getting there. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, feel free to stop down by the store. Fridays we're open 11 to 2. And we're closed Saturday, Sunday, and Monday right now. But maybe come October that might change. Maybe we'll be open Saturday. I'm waiting till snowbirds come down till it gets a little bit busier.